A good Wednesday morning to you. Well, we're looking at the frontal system that's going to be approaching the region. Obviously, here is Vermont. We have this very strong ridge of higher pressure aloft. At the surface area of higher pressure is beginning to shift a little bit off the coast now, and that's opening the door for a little bit more of a southerly wind that's starting to get in here. They're very strong winds where the pressure gradient is very tight, is associated out ahead of this frontal boundary, and that's going to stay that way for most of the day. But later on tonight, the winds will start to increase across the Champlain Valley, and certainly during the day tomorrow with the approach of this frontal band. Now, this area of low pressure will be tracking, you can see it just a little bit here. This is a pretty strong area of low pressure. Well, we had a blue northern come through parts of Texas and back into the Panhandle, Oklahoma, and Colorado, and so forth. That is now dissipating out because the pressure gradient's a lot stronger ahead of it, bumping up into this ridge of higher pressure here. So, long story short, this area of low pressure will track across the Great Lakes, a little bit north of Vermont. It'll blow in some westerly winds, cool us off on Friday. It'll be blustery as well during the day then, after Thursday also being quite blustery, especially our western slopes of the Green Mountains. But then that wind direction will shift to more southwesterly and westerly, and it'll blow cooler air that will have rotate along the backside of this area of low pressure and set us up for the next dry day on Saturday. Following that, on Sunday, we have a little bit of minor snow shower activity to contend with. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.